system. It's quite elaborate. Goes all the way back to the piping over there, and a steam unit. This area right here is like a big car wash that the pigs go through. It's not running right now, so I'm going to take this opportunity to look inside. And when we look inside, we see the conveyor system right here that the cakes move along. There are jets. You see those jets right there in the bottom? They're just spraying up. At the top, we have jets spraying down. And then on both sides, we have these jets here spraying from the side. So this is basically the exterior washing system. And it truly is just like a big car wash. You even got the rubber flaps on the end. So it comes down through here, goes to the rubber flaps on the other side, and then comes out over here and heads into these 4 stations over here. And next time I show this, it'll be in operation and you'll be able to see it a bit more.